Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair. If you're new here, it's been a little bit. Unfortunately, that bug got the best of me for about a week. So I've had a couple days of just kind of slowly getting back into putting my home back together a little bit. But today, this is my last day off before I go back to work. So we're going to go run some errands. It's a very gloomy, rainy day. I got to go do a return at UPS. And I want to run to Sam's to get a couple food items that I need for prepping this week. So we're going to go knock that out. Probably when I get back, I'm going to go ahead and get a shower maybe. Because I need to do one more load of laundry, but I really want to shower first before that. And then there's going to be a couple organization type things I need to do in the house. And meal prep itself. That's got to get done. Return is done. We're gonna run over to Sam's now. The biggest thing is I need a rotisserie chicken and it's just cheaper. And then a couple other random items, but coffee, that kind of stuff. Of course, it would start raining more when I came out. So, either way, I'm glad that's done. Now I'm ready to go home. And then we'll start. Like I said, I'll probably take a shower, go ahead and get the laundry going, and then we'll deal with the meal prep stuff. But I'll check in with you when we get back to the house. Okay, just a quick, here's what I bought. I got a rotisserie chicken, which we'll shred up later for chicken salad this week. Some donut shop coffee. My friend said it's pretty much the same as the Walmart, so I got this to restock. I wanted croissants, but I got ciabatta rolls because the croissants said they were only good until the 8th. Technically, these say the 7th, but they're going to go in the fridge, so they should be fine, but there's less of them. This was not part of the plan, but I got some of these chicken and cheese filatas for my second meal this week. I was going to make quesadillas, but yeah, I don't know, less cooking, and I also wasn't able to get the cilantro lime rice. So, and lastly, some more of these Cafe Latte Premier proteins. I'm really trying to watch my protein this year, and I thought after this week, instead of making cold coffee, I might just drink these in the afternoon to give me some more protein. So that's all that I bought at Sam's. Once that's done, I'm gonna just put the stuff that needs to go in the fridge and the freezer, put away. And then I'm gonna go take my shower so I can start laundry. I am gonna put this back on, don't judge me. I just put it on this morning to go out into public. I need to rinse my body and wash my hair. So let me put the stuff in the freezer and the fridge that needs to go away. And I started laundry when I got out of the shower, and obviously you saw I mopped, but I think I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm hungry. And then we'll come back and start prepping food. The only two things I got is this crock pot meal I need to put in around noon. It's a little early right now. And then I want to get my chicken salad made. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some of those taquitos I bought from Sam's for lunch, because I think this crock-pot meal is gonna make enough dinners for the week, so I'm not so sure that I'm gonna need the taquitos, but maybe once if I need to switch it up if that meal's not great. While that's heating up, I thought I'd show you these. I got some new Pyrex, so I'm gonna pull out my old ones I think and donate what I can. Some of the old ones had broken lids, and then I also got this meal prep set that's glass, so I can get rid of my old ones, but it's 3 with 3 dividers, 3 with 2 spaces, and then 3 that are just plain. So I want to be able to get all of those in this cupboard. I'm kind of thinking we'll purge out these ones and get rid of them because they were cheaper ones from Amazon, because I already got these ones from Sam's and these ones work really well, and I have them all down here, which is easier when you're just storing food. So thinking those ones are going to get donated. Pyrex will pull out the ones that are bad and get rid of those. So the goal is hopefully to get them all up on the shelf, and then anything that maybe I wouldn't use as much, put it on the top shelf. It's about 11:30. I'm gonna go ahead and get this chicken salad stuff started with this, and then we'll do the chicken last, get that done, and then we'll do the crock pot meal, and then probably find the place for the food storage. But let's get this done.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
Alright, lastly, we're gonna get the crock pot stuff ready. I gotta cut up the chicken, and then we're also gonna use these things.
down there. I went through my.
Something never comes, road trips and shotgun. Sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
I think now that the food stuff is done, I am going to take out all the trash from the bathrooms as well and the kitchen, and then we'll come back and try to deal with the food prep containers. Hair is air drying really crazy, but I think this is where I'm going to wrap up this vlog. So you kind of got to do some errands, some meal prep, some cleaning, and a little bit of declutter and organizing. Kind of a full day, but I'm just going to chill for the rest of the day and take a break before I go back to work tomorrow. Hopefully my videos will go back to being regular now that I'm feeling better. But as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.